Hey guys, this is Altonarcius 3333. Well, as I said in my last video, I did do training until level 20. But I did get Kumatora up to level 16, getting her to learn PK healing and PSI healing and PK and PSI offense down alpha. Both really good for the fight we're about to go. Now first to have this Osho cave disappear. Now then to run, and here we go to the boss of chapter 2. Yes, here we are. This is where I hit it. Buster, this is a certain important item I instructed you to bring back. It seems to be known as the Egg of Light, or the Hummingbird Egg. Yeah, truth be told, not even I know about anything about this egg. The Hummingbird Egg is a ball of secrets inside secrets that are even inside more secrets. Yeah, trust me, later in the game you will really want to remember this. Or something like that, supposedly, apparently. And now the ball of secrets is needed. If this wound up in the wrong hands, the lid on the secrets will come undone and bad things will happen. Just what sort of hope or calamity is hidden away in this egg? Not even I know. In any case, this Hummingbird Egg is our secret. But doesn't it seem kind of ridiculous that the egg of a tiny little hummingbird holds all the world's secrets? I like the epic music. Indeed, it is quite ridiculous. But what's most ridiculous is that moron, 9, standing right here. Duster, the egg gives off such a thick scent of secrets that's so concentrated it almost reminds me of condensed milk. Yet, you couldn't even catch a single whiff of it. That's how much of a moron you are. You're a failure as a thief. 10. You shouldn't keep calling your own kid a moron like that. If he really is a moron, he wouldn't understand anyways. Good point, Kumatora. Anyway, let's get let the bad guys get their hands on this egg. Speak of the devil. Uh-oh. It's those clay things. And the pig mask. How'd they get through the brooms? How'd the clay mask get through the brooms? How'd they get through the holes? Geezer, Duster, let's get out of here. Princess, please wait. No one appears to be sitting there nonchalantly. But I place traps around the eggs. Huh? Traps? Princess! My bad. My bad. All the skulls. I don't think this is a good place. Princess, are you alright? Yeah, I'm just fine, but... Huh? Whatever's the matter? You're worried about that moron, don't be. He's been trained for just sort of this thing. No, it's not Duster. The egg is gone. Come again? That moron isn't gone, but the egg is? Hey, it's the moron. And the egg. Oh, the egg. Oh, the egg. Oh, Duster. Yes, it's alright. Well done. I called you a moron 11 times. I knew it! But I take it all back now. You're no longer a moron. Hooray! Uh-oh. I don't like the black thing. I don't know if I'd say hooray just yet. Here it is. The Oh-So Snake. First, smoke bomb. And since I have it, I'm going to use offense down alpha. He has the ability to hit both your teams in hard, plus he has a pretty dang powerful move called causing a giant wave, making it really hard on you. Anyway, just use PK's Thunder a lot. And shoot, it didn't hit anybody. Now then, I'm going to use the Tickle Stick, PK Thunder. Whew, he missed. He sharply scolds me. What good does that do? Yeah, just let loose with any bombs you got. It'll really help if you do, though. Shoot, still missed. Yay, Duster moved. Oops, I was about to use a mini charm. That wouldn't do nothing. Woo, Thunder Bomb. Yeah, this thing has like 1300 HP, so it may take a while to defeat. What about my safety? Oh, come on, just hit the dang thing. There we go. Ow, he bit me. Oh no, he caused the giant wave. Oh my. Dang. I'll be worried about his safety too. Sorry about that. Ah, here we go, beef jerky. Making bubbles. What is he? Snake? If he was a snake, he wouldn't be making bubbles. And I didn't know Kumatora had this sprinting bomb. Otherwise I would have thrown it a long time ago. Come on, geezer. That's all the bombs. Now then. Wow, 100 damage. Dang. Wow, that's it. Huh. Yay us. And yay, Kumatora's level 17. Now what? Uh-oh. Ah, we're being sucked in. Wow. Hey, it's Slider and Fuel. Fuel just noticed us. Oh, you're awake, geezer. Where are we? My house? You and this especially tough girl got washed down the river. Good thing my dad was there. Because I would have pretended not to see you if it had just been me. Yeah, thanks a lot, Fuel. Did you find that moron with us too? You mean Duster? It was just you two. You know, for a couple, you do have a big age difference. That moron, I mean Duster, taking his dang merry time. He's in big trouble once I find him. You were both unconscious. Should both get a little more rest. Ah, Run away, Fuel. Don't be dumb. Let's go look for him right now. Quick. Unfortunately, since I'm out of time, I'm gonna have to cut it off here. Ah! See ya.